It's Game 1 today, November 29, 2013, Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Somalian Tournament, Manchester United Under-14 Boys Soccer Team from Minnesota, against jubba, Atlanta Soccer Team Under-14 Boys. They never ever played before today. The two of best soccer coach will meet today. Idib is the best manager. He is the one that gets its players to get the best out of themselves more than anyone. Coach Adam did great things under hard conditions, showing himself on a man management level. Manchester United Under-14 Boys, for example, and on the tactical one, did they have good teams, both coaches? Sure, the answer is yes. Great coach should be able to get the job done not just when his team is among the underdogs, but also when his team is a favorite. Understanding knows that players and coaches that can do outstanding in the tournament can do horribly in a league. We value leagues over the tournament all the way. It shows the consistency of good work, and not just speculating with results in a 90-minute game qualifier. It's Manchester United versus jubba Atlanta team with Under-14 boys, from Stone Mountain Ahmed Diash Indoor Soccer Stadium. Somalian soccer teams is always bursting with superstar-level talent, making it a great idea to come out and see the action firsthand in another game absolutely filled to the brim with nail-biting excitement. See you the next game tonight, at 8 o'clock in Eastern Time.
Come on, Ahmed! Musa! Running down to the What? No, you gotta practice, you gotta keep it, you gotta use your hands. Good. Musa, let's go, go. See, Musa, I'll be eyes, man. I'll be eyes. Come on, Ahmed, don't stop, Ahmed. Okay, good, go. Oh. Good, Yahya. Oh! Ahmed, you waited too long, Ahmed. Ahmed. Go. No. Bus, you go.
Push it. Don't wait over there, okay? Push it. Don't wait. Last ball.
موسى فنونك انت لايك انتو كجرو اضاع خبصن كرو yeah don't just sit back it's nothing called I'm not good at it good oh go back for see don't tell me you're not good at it you did good job Yeah. Use the wall. Use the wall. Oh, boss. يلا كنت تجيها المكاي
يا ميسر جيب له وين؟ جيب له عرفته هرم كان علي رفيق
Talk to your friends. Be active. Talk to your friends. Get out of the way. Talk to your friends. Come here.